Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Depop seller, you know how crucial it is to keep your shop looking fresh and organized. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to move sold items down in your listings, especially with the 2025 updates that make this process even smoother. This tip can save you time and help your active items get more visibility. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of the Depop app installed on your device. The 2025 update includes some handy features for inventory management, so head to your App Store and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log into your account. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal page. Step 2. From there, select My Shop or Listings to view all your items. You'll see a list of both active and sold items. Step 3. Look for the sold items in your list. Tap on the one you want to move. In the 2025 version, there's a new Edit button at the top. Hit that to enter editing mode. Step 4. Once in edit mode, you'll see options to rearrange items. Simply drag and drop the sold item down the list or use the arrow buttons to move it below your active listings. Step 5. After positioning it where you want, tap Save or Done to apply the changes. Your shop will update instantly. A quick tip. If you have multiple sold items, you can select them all at once to streamline the process. This keeps your feed looking professional and buyer-friendly. There you have it. That's how you move sold items down on Depop in 2025. It's a simple tweak that can make a big difference in managing your sales. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Depop tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.